Did you know the MiG-29 can outmaneuver almost any fighter jet in its class? Let's find out why this aircraft is so impressive. Designed during the height of the Cold War, the MiG-29 was built to counter Western fighters with brutal agility, raw thrust, and close combat dominance. From its distinctive twin-engine layout to its wide-set intakes and powerful control surfaces, everything about this jet screams maneuverability. Pilots often describe the MiG-29 as feeling alive in the air, capable of rapid turns, high angle of attack maneuvers, and sudden directional changes that can overwhelm opponents in visual range combat. Its helmet-mounted sight system, revolutionary at the time, allows pilots to lock targets simply by looking at them, changing the rules of dogfighting forever. This combination of airframe design, engine power, and pilot-centric technology explains why the MiG-29 earned a fearsome reputation among NATO analysts and why it remains a symbol of close-range aerial combat excellence even decades after its introduction.
Today, we're diving into the world of the MiG-29 fighter jet, a key player in modern air combat and a symbol of Russian aviation prowess. First entering service in the early 1980s, the MiG-29 was intended as a frontline air superiority fighter that could operate from rough, forward airfields near the front lines. This requirement shaped its rugged landing gear, reinforced structure, and ability to perform under harsh conditions. Unlike some Western jets optimized for long-range interception, the MiG-29 focused on protecting ground forces and winning air battles directly above the battlefield. Its twin Klimov RD-33 engines provide impressive thrust-to-weight performance, enabling rapid climbs and explosive acceleration. Over time, the aircraft has been exported to dozens of countries, making it one of the most widely operated fourth-generation fighters in history. For many air forces, the MiG-29 represented a leap into modern jet combat, combining speed, agility, and firepower in a relatively compact and aggressive package.
While many fighter jets dominate the skies, the MiG-29 faces unique challenges in terms of technology and international relations. Early variants, though agile, were limited by short operational range, basic radar capabilities, and high maintenance demands. After the Cold War, economic struggles affected upgrades and pilot training, reducing the jet's full potential in some air forces. Additionally, geopolitical tensions have influenced spare parts availability, modernization programs, and export restrictions. As Western fighters evolved with advanced sensors, data links, and stealth concepts, the MiG-29 had to adapt or risk obsolescence. Some operators struggled to keep pace, while others invested heavily in upgrades to avionics, weapons integration, and mission systems. These challenges highlight a broader reality of military aviation. Raw performance alone is not enough. Logistics, politics, training, and sustained investment all play critical roles in determining whether a fighter jet can remain competitive in an ever-changing global security environment.
Explore the MiG-29's design, capabilities, and combat history, including its role in various conflicts and its comparison to other jets. Aerodynamically, the MiG-29 features blended wing roots and large control surfaces that enhance lift during extreme maneuvers. Its infrared search and track system allows passive target detection, giving pilots an advantage against radar-aware enemies. In combat, the MiG-29 has seen action in conflicts across the Middle East, Eastern Europe, Africa, and the Balkans, with mixed results depending on pilot skill and support infrastructure. When compared to jets like the F-16 or Mirage 2000, the MiG-29 often excels in close-range agility, but may lag in beyond visual range engagements without modern upgrades. These comparisons show that the aircraft's true strength lies in how it is used, maintained, and supported, rather than in raw specifications alone.
highlight the MiG-29's most significant achievements, such as its performance in dogfights and advancements in avionics. One of its greatest accomplishments is redefining close combat through the integration of high off-boresight missiles and helmet-mounted targeting. This system allowed MiG-29 pilots to engage enemies at extreme angles, forcing adversaries to rethink traditional dogfighting tactics. Later upgrades, such as the MiG-29 SMT and MiG-29M variants, introduced improved radar, glass cockpits, aerial refueling capability, and compatibility with modern precision weapons. Airshow performances around the world further cemented the jet's reputation, as dramatic vertical climbs and tight turns showcased its raw aerodynamic power. These achievements demonstrate that, when properly upgraded, the MiG-29 can evolve far beyond its original Cold War design and remain a credible multi-role platform.
The MiG-29 influenced fighter design philosophy by proving that extreme agility combined with smart weapon integration could challenge more technologically complex opponents. Its strengths include superb maneuverability, robust construction, and adaptability to different missions and environments. Modernized variants continue to serve in several air forces, benefiting from upgraded sensors, improved range, and networked combat capabilities. In an era dominated by stealth and long-range missiles, the MiG-29 still offers value as a cost-effective, agile fighter for nations seeking reliable air defense and multi-role flexibility. Its continued service underscores the importance of balanced design and the enduring relevance of close-range combat skills in air warfare.
If you enjoyed learning about the MiG-29, check out our video on the top 10 fighter jets of all time and leave your thoughts in the comments. Understanding aircraft like the MiG-29 helps us appreciate how technology, doctrine, and history shape modern air combat. Every fighter jet tells a story, not only of engineering, but also of the strategic needs and political realities of its era. By comparing different designs, we gain insight into why some aircraft prioritize stealth, others focus on agility, and some aim for multi-role versatility. Your perspective matters, whether you admire the MiG-29's raw dogfighting spirit or prefer the sensor-driven approach of newer jets. Share your opinions, debate respectfully, and let us know which fighter you think truly deserves legendary status in the skies.